Hello, here have a guide, okay, for the fix the Shein frozen, okay, account. Okay, we are going to the Shein, okay, app, and here you have a pop-up, okay, with a message for your account has been temporarily frozen, okay, for the regular activities. Okay, for the fix this message, this error, okay, we are going to the Google, okay, and we are going to the Shein, okay, help center, okay, and here we are going to the customer service, okay. Here we are going to the customer service here, okay, and you register or login, okay, and you contact, okay, with Shein for your account. Bye bye.